I had my eyes on getting 100% gain in the stock market, baby. Okay, that's what we do on the Money Talk Show TV, baby. 100% gain. You gotta put your eyes on to see all this, baby. Yeah. To the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby. I am the motivated, baby. I am the educated, baby. I am the options trader, baby. I am the money coach, baby. Okay? We here live in effect, baby. Ain't no live, but we live in effect, baby. When the boy hit 100% gains, we live, baby. Okay? Anytime we hit 100%, live, baby. Okay? Because the boy motivated to get this money, okay? On the Money Talk Show TV. Today's video is all about eyes, baby, okay? You know, FDA approval, baby, okay? Your boy sit there, was watching it last week, okay? Check the charts. It was sitting around, I believe the week before that, like $1.48. After hours, that thing shot up to 5 something, 5, 6 something. I'm looking at it, seeing what's going on. Check the news, boy. I told you you gotta watch and check the news so I can look at your stocks and you be searching. That's why I wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning, baby, to get this money, okay? So once I seen it had FDA approval, I'm checking the volume. I'm looking at it, seeing was it official, was it some fake news? It was official, okay? The company's got some things going on with the eyes, okay? They helping you out, blind people to be able to see, to get some kind of senses going on from the glasses that they put on to be able to see, okay? That's why it's called eyes, baby, okay? There's a lot of blind people in the world, okay? Your boy was blind, okay? I had the bifocals on. I'm used to wearing them things. I had bifocals on when I was in school, baby, okay? Got the LASIK surgery, so now I'm cool, okay? But to get 100% gain, hey, I'm looking at what that thing doing, checking the price out, seeing the motivation, seeing the volume, checking out is big people, institutions buying into it, is retail investors going into it, what's the lows, everything right there, watching it, man, got up in that thing, boom, 100% gain, okay? So now I'm gonna look at it and watch it. Since it's 100% gain, this is my game to watch it and put a trailing stop loss on that guy. Just in case so many people who got that at $1, when they see it tomorrow go up a little bit, baby, they might be wanting to take profits, baby, okay? Because I told you take profits. So now I'm looking to probably take some profits tomorrow, depending on how the chart looks, before I get burnt on that guy, okay? I plan on taking some profits today, but your boy was busy doing some things with the kids, but it's okay, baby, okay? That's why I tell you, when you're day trading, you need full time. You can't be doing other things. You can't be doing this and this. You can swing trade, do some other thing. When the day trade, you need that full time, baby. Because I should have got out that position today, just in case so many people got it at $1 and something and they want to sell. So when they want to sell, the price gonna drop. And depending on how far it drop, more people might sell. You never know. So that's why I like to take some profits and play with the house money, baby, okay? But give you a little bit about what eyes is, you know what I'm saying? Here's with the video. All right, Second Sight Medical Products and Company. Second Sight Medical Products and Company is engaged in developing, manufacturing, and marketing prosthetic devices that restore vision to individuals. The company intends to develop Orion visual cortical prosthesis, which provides useful artificial vision to individuals who are blind due to various causes, including glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, optical nerve or disease or forms of cancer and trauma. Please excuse me for my mispronunciation of these words, okay? Its products, the Argus 2 retinal system, provides electronical stimulation of the retinal to induce visual perception in blind individuals and helps in treating other retinal degenerations, such as retinitis and other things. Okay, it provides an artificial differs from the vision of people with normal sight. The company's system employs electronical stimulation to bypass degenerated photoreceptor cells and to stimulate removable retinal cells, thereby inducing visual perception in blind individuals. Baby, this is big. Okay, so they helping the blind man see. This ain't no joke. Okay, now let's get into the grabs on what it did today, baby. Okay. Look at the 5-minute chart. Now, as I talked about earlier, it was sitting around with $1. Yep, right here, $1.40. Alright, 140, okay. And then bam, shot up 9. High next day 14.26 after hours. Look at that. So that's the key hitter right there. 26 after hours is still going. It's just doing a lot of selling. 19 slowing down a little bit. And it went down to the 9s, 12s. But this is a very good day trade. It's high risk, but you gotta know how to do it, baby. Okay? So that's on with the site. Okay, so now you know what eyes is. I told you my game plan and what I did with it. This is not financial advice. I'm not no financial advisor. This is just me letting you know what I'm doing and my 10K challenge, my 52-week K challenge, baby. Investing everything I can, how I can, and getting better every single week as it goes, baby. Got some more options trading coming on soon. But right now, the market, as you know, is a little rough right now. So the options not looking too well. But GameStop, boy, doing their thing. I might have to make a video about them, boy. I'm in that too, okay? But be blessed to invest in yourself. Put your eyes on the prize. Big institutions is holding their money, taking away from tech, and looking at possibly the recovery stocks, possibly the therapeutic stocks, okay? Check them out, CLOV. Check out EYES, EYE, eyes, baby. You see it up there. All right, be blessed to invest in yourself.